Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve an interesting math problem, that is x times x plus y times y equal 4 and x plus y equal 4, and we have to find the value of x and y. So let's start with today's video solution. So to solve this, first I am going to write the first is x times x as x cube and y as y cube equal 4, and consider this as equation number 1, and this x plus y equal 4 as equation number 2. Now from equation number 1 I am going to use the identity, that is a cube plus b cube equal, we can write a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So this becomes, equation 1 become x plus y times x square minus xy plus y square equal 4. Now from equation number 2 we have the value x plus y equal 4. So write 4 here. So x square minus xy plus y square equal 4. Now if I'll divide both sides by 4, so this becomes x square minus xy plus y square equal 1. Now we can write this as x square plus y square minus xy equal 1. So again I am going to use the identity, that is a square plus b square. We can write a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So this becomes x square plus y square as x plus y whole square minus 2xy, and what is left? Minus xy equal 1. So x plus y whole square equal, minus 3xy equal 1, and x plus y is, according to equation number 2, 4. So 4 square minus 3xy equal 1. 4 square is 16 minus 3xy equal 1. So minus 3xy equal 1 minus 16. So minus 3xy equal minus 15. Now if I'll divide both sides by minus 3, so xy equal 5. Now let's recall equation number 1, equation number 2, that is x plus y equal 4. So if we find out the value of y from here, that is 4 minus x. Now consider this as equation number 3. So xy we have 5 and y is equals to 4 minus x. So in xy equal 5, if I'll put the value of y as 4 minus x from equation number 3, so it becomes 4x minus x square equal 5, and this becomes x square minus 4x plus 5 equals 0. So this is a quadratic equation. The value of a is 1, the coefficient of x square. The value of b is minus 4, the coefficient of x, and the value of c is 5. So let's put the value in quadratic formula, that is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equals to minus 4 plus minus under root minus 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 5 by 2 times 1. So x is equals to 4 plus minus under root 4 square is 16 minus 20 by 2. So x is equals to 4 plus minus under root minus 4 by 2. So x is equals to 4 plus minus, we can write this as under root 4 times under root minus 1 by 2. So x is equals to 4 plus minus under root 4 is 2 and under root minus 1 is iota by 2. Now from numerator, if you take 2 as common, so 2 plus minus iota by 2, it will cancel out. So x1 is 2 plus iota and x2 is 2 minus iota. Now put the value of x1 and x2 in equation number 3 to calculate y. So y1 is 4 minus x1, that is 2 plus iota. 4 minus 2 minus iota, that is 2 minus iota. So this is y1. Now y2 is 4 minus 2 minus iota, that is 4 minus 2 plus iota. So it's 2 plus iota. This is y2. So these are the possible values of x and y. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.